Big Hawk with the Dodgers, Tyler with the Brewers, Rangers, Sven with the Twins, Rich with the Mets, Blue Jays, Tabin with the Yankees, John with the A's, Den with the Phillies, B. Patterson Pirates, Ethan with the Padres, John with the Giants, Execute with the Cardinals, Tyler with the Rays, and Ben Vignair with the Nationals. All right. All right, everybody, good luck. Also, if you guys are not already, go ahead and subscribe to our Mojo Break Baseball channel and our Mojo Break Media channel, streaming on both currently. If you guys are interested, go ahead and show us some love. Go subscribe to both our YouTube channels. It would be greatly appreciated. Oh, here's the last one. All right. All right, everybody, box number 1. Here we go. Good luck. These are probably 55 point, by the way. All right, here we go. Speckle, Hilo 8 Ramos. That's out of 99 for the Giants. Auto, Curtis Mead for the Tampa Bay Rays. That's what you get when you buy the last team. Last team mojo. Congratulations. Tyler. Last team mojo. Tampa Bay Rays. First auto of the break. All right. Ernie Clement out of 199 for the Guardian spot. Next auto is a Reginald Preciado for the Chicago Cubs spot. That's going to be the Big Hawk Smokey. Congratulations. Second auto of the break. Jordan Lawler, Rodolfo Castro, Spencer Torkelson out of 150, and a Errol Vera for the Angels. Angels on the board. Another speckle. This is a Luis Angel Acuna out of 99 for the Texas Rangers spots. Texas Rangers. That's going to be going to Tyler. A different Tyler, I believe. Luis Angel Acuna out of 99. J-Rod base. Shaylin Polanco out of 99. This is the first time I've gotten an auto. I forget what these are called. That are in this specific parallel. Shaylin Polanco, Pittsburgh Pirates. On the board, Pirates. D. Patterson, congratulations. Shaylin Polanco, that is out of 99. All right, that's going to do it for the first box. Here we go, box 2 coming up. Gotta say, the presentation in Bowman Sterling is immaculate. Um, 17. I just discounted it right before I started this too. Oh, for real. I feel like ghost pepper. They say anywhere that's fast food. That's cap. They lying. They lying. Here we go. Box number 2. Good luck. Jordan McCants auto for the Miami Marlins. This is a base Miami Marlins. Big Hawk, congratulations. There you go, Miami Marlins on the board. Steven Kwan. Pink Roberto Campos out of 75 for the Detroit Tiger spot. And a Yoswar Garcia for the Philadelphia Phillies. Den 247. Congratulations, Phillies on the board. Luis Gill rookie card, Hunter Green, Novelli Marte, Mariners. That's out of 99. And a Kyle Manzardo for the Tampa Bay Rays. Another last team mojo, Tampa Bay Rays again. Tyler B, congrats again. O'Neal Cruz. Jose Ramos, beautiful team color match, Dodgers. That is definitely some fire. Jose Ramos, Dodgers team color match. Big Hawk, having a great break. Congratulations. Gotta love team color match. We also have a gold coming up. Should be out of 50. Here we go. Good luck. Jason Dominguez. Harry Ford, Seattle Mariners, out of 50. Goldie, Mariners. That is another one for Big Hawk Smokey. Congratulations. And a Starlin Aguilar. Big Hawk again. Mariners auto. All right, and Edward Cabrera to end it. That is box 2. Here we go, box number 3 coming up. right, here we go. This is box number 3. Good luck, y'all. Here we go. Pedro Pineda, Uribe Angeles. That is out of 199. And the auto, Brian Acuna for the Minnesota Twins spot. Brian Acuna. Josh Lowe. Anthony Volpe, that's out of 99 Yankees. And a Dustin Harris for the Texas Rangers spot. Dustin Harris, base auto. Tyler. This is Tyler 2003. Dustin Harris. There we go. Got a Wander sighting. Wander Franco. Looking one of his autos will be nice. Tampa Bay Rays. Reginald Preciado. Another one that's out of 150 for the Cubs. Big Hawk Smokey. Another one for you. That's out of 150. Hope you are watching, man. Big Hawk, you are killing it right now. Hayes, Key Brian Hayes, another one of these spotlight autos. This is out of 99. Didn't they get? We all got another one for the Pirates of these, I believe. That's right. 2 of these for the Pirates. Key Brian Hayes. B. Patterson, congratulations. Bobby Witt, base card rookie. Casey Royals. Go Jordan VRs, Philadelphia Philly spots. Phillies. Den 247, congratulations. Gold auto. 11 out of 50. Jordan Viers. Alright, and that's going to do it for that box. Box number 3. Alright, box 4 coming up. Last box of the break. By the way, if you guys are interested, we do have another Top Sterling break. Single box high-end Top Sterling. We ended up pulling a cut auto last night. We also have a Bowman Hobby full case break. Link for that is at the top of the chat if you guys are interested. Go ahead and check those other breaks out. Also, if you guys have not already, go show us some love. Subscribe to our Mojo Break Baseball, Mojo Break Media channel. Here we go, box 4. Hoy Park, that's out of 199. Carson Williams, Tampa Bay Rays, another one for the Rays. That's 3, I believe. Another one for Tyler B. Cal Raleigh, rookie card, Shane Baz. Reginald Preciado, another one for the Cubs. Is that Big Hawk again? Yes, it is. Congratulations, Big Hawk Smokey. Spencer Strider. Auto Jonathan Classe for the Mariner spots. Another one, Big Hawk Smokey. Congratulations. Blaze Jordan, Luis Rodriguez. Got a Cal Raleigh. This is out of 150. And a Curtis Mead, Tampa Bay Rays. Another one, Curtis Mead. This is out of 150 this time. Tyler B. Congratulations. Curtis Mead, auto out of 150. Pink coming up out of 75. Yiddy Cape for the Miami Marlins spots. And the auto, Alexander Mojica, Pittsburgh Pirates spots. 3 autos for the Pirates. Super good value, Pirates. B. Patterson again. All right, and that is actually going to close that out. That was the break. Thank you all for tuning in. That was 2022 Bowman Sterling 4-box PYT number 43. Thank you all for tuning in. Congrats to all the hitters.